Today we have the Xenomorph Albino drone concept figure.
It's the same as the Albino Big Chap.
No, it's not.
Just a warrior instead.
Yeah, it's kind of it's not a generic warrior either. Like
yes,
you'll
I
see.
know.
You'll see. You'll all see.
This special edition concept figure is inspired by James Cameron's original screenplay for the 1986 movie. Cameron's script describes the drone as an albino version of the xenomorph that has an excreting probe instead of the usual second inner mouth. It uses the probe to create the cocoons that immobilize hosts while their chest bursters gestate.
So he was packaged in generic, alien style. I like that the toenails and fingernails are black. That's a really nice addition. And he's like got the red tones as if he's been in blood.
I wouldn't think that's it. I think it's more humanoid.
Yeah, too. What
Mistake.
happened?
He's got.
Ooh, ugly.
Watch the camera when you film it. He's got black smeared on his foot.
Ugly.
Oh no. But look at those claws. Look at these
Wait,
claws.
does he have feet holes? He has feet
Feet
holes.
holes. It's got like these nice pink undertones.
I love it.
In a way that the other prototype didn't.
Yeah. Well, the other prototype was more clear than.
He was more clear than like translucent and white.
Yeah. Because it wasn't really meant to be albino, it was meant to be clear.
I'll be honest. I could see why they would be against having this in the movie. I mean, I get with the face huggers. Those look awfully, well. And the predators, those also look kind of. Alrighty, so there's a slot right inside his mouth that this goes in. This has two little hinge joints on it.
I don't know how I
It's
feel about that.
absolutely horrifying.
I don't know how I feel about that.
Oh, this one's loose.
Yeah, his one knee is a little loose. But it's not too bad.
And kicking my knees.
Stop. Show the rest of him. One thing I noticed is, if we get that to me, the arm is a little separated, it looks like, almost.
Yeah, it's weird.
That arm.
Just a tiny thing, though.
Yeah.
The spine is attached, guys.
It hasn't come out yet.
It's actually a really heavy material. It's not a rubbery one. It's different.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And you can actually see the slot where they go in is bigger now. Actually, let's see if you can see better. Right there.
I love his back tubes, his spinal tubes.
Spinal tubes.
That's what I call them, spinal tubes.
Sounds like a terrifying medical procedure.
I never understood the spinal tube. I guess it's how they breathe, maybe?
Who knows?
But do they need to breathe?
Probably not.
All right, I'm gonna pose him.
He's because of his loose knees, he is difficult to pose because he just wants to.
It's just the one loose
If you
knee,
don't mind
just
me.
because of the position I was trying to get him in. Yeah, he just kind of falls.
Can't really bend his leg because that one is loose.
Look at that. That's actually a really cool pose. I like that.
Yeah, it looks good. Give him like that.
Yeah.
And he has the 3 fingers. I don't remember how many. Did Big Chap have 5 or?
No, he doesn't have 3 fingers. He has the alien warriors. They have
Oh, he's
5,
got 5.
but the two of them in patches of 2. Big Chap and the as I called them.
Like that.
The Big Chap ones have 6. They have 2 thumbs, one on each end of the hand. Which I don't know why. But hey.
So I guess all in all, just the looseness of the knees, a little smudge on the foot.
Yeah, a few.
That's the only problem I
issues,
really
but
have.
Yeah.
He looks very nice.
He's not the most perfect figure we've ever gotten. Look for that figure in a different
He's-
video.
He's kind of grosser than
Oh, he's absolutely
Expected.
disgusting, and I love it.
I don't usually call these things gross, but
Yeah. It looks like he's made of bone. And it's awesome.
so we hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching, and hope you have a wonderful day.
That tongue is disgusting. Bye.